A Tracfone SIM unlock code allows you to use your phone with other carriers. Let's explore the requirements and request process. To get a SIM unlock code, your device must meet specific requirements. It must be fully paid off, active on Tracfone for at least 12 months or 6 months for some Verizon branded devices, and not reported as lost or stolen. Check your device's eligibility on Tracfone's website using your IMEI number. Dial *6 on your phone to find your IMEI. Submit your unlock request online at myaccount.tracfone.com or call 1-800-867-7183. Provide your account details, IMEI number, and reason for unlocking. You'll receive the code via email or SMS within 1 to 3 days. To use the code, insert a new SIM card, enter the unlock code when prompted, and restart your phone. Remember, the code is one-time use and specific to your device. Encountering issues with Tracfone SIM unlocking? If your device shows not eligible, ensure it's been active for the required period. For Verizon branded phones, contact Verizon directly. If you don't receive the unlock code, check your spam or junk folder, or resubmit the request. For an incorrect unlock code error, double-check your entry as it's case sensitive and request a new code. If problems persist after unlocking, update your phone's software using the Tracfone app. For eSIM devices, use digital unlocking instead of physical unlock codes. As a last resort, try a factory reset, but always back up your data first. Avoid unofficial unlock services due to security risks. Tracfone no longer unlocks legacy devices. Always back up your data before attempting any fixes.